Hello friends, here we are here to show you assembly process of a lamp. It's called Pentagon. We have on our channel we have two different Pentagon versions. This one with the slide version, and the last year we had the clip version. So this is similar to other slide version designs. You get five of these big plates, five of these small plates, and one top plate. So we'll keep it aside and take take this big plate, take the alternate color, and just slide it. Okay, you can see there are these slots. Just align the slot and slide. Okay, hold it like this. Take the next plate, do it like this, slide. And remember, do not touch on the paper, do not press on the paper, it will get damaged. Just hold on the wooden part. Okay, so take the 4 and this is the last fifth slide. Just slide it, hold it like this. Okay, slide again, take it. Hope you understand. Slide. So we have the top portion ready. It's very simple, self-explanatory. We'll keep it aside. As you can see at the bottom, at the smaller Pentagon, there are 4 slots. At the bottom side there is no slot. Keep this side at the bottom like this. It should come. There should not be any slots on bottom side. So similarly, just align and slide. Hold on the wooden part, pull it backwards, little bit backward, and slide. Take the next alternate color here. After pink, we'll go for yellow. Keep the no slot portion on the bottom. Slide. Hold on the wooden part. Align, and slide. Pull it back. Pull it backward like this. Pull it back. Slide. Alternate color. Bottom side no slot. Align, slide. Similarly, hold on the wooden part, hold it like this, pull it back, slide forward, back, slide forward. It's very simple. Make sure you do it with your family because it's a festival season. So making a lamp, it's a DIY kind of lamp, so it has its own perks. Okay, so this is the last plate. Slide, align, hold it on the wooden part. Don't apply force on paper side. Pull it back, slide. Similarly, pull it back, slide. Pull it back, slide. Okay, so we have our lamp 98% ready. So now this is time for top plate. For top plate, just put it like this. Pull it little bit backward so that it fits right in. Similarly, slide. Just pull it little bit back. Put it in the slot like this. Push forward. Pull it back, forward, back, forward, 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 forward. Voila, it's ready. You have your top plate ready, you have your lamp ready. It's not going anywhere. Make sure you do not touch on the paper part. Hold it on the wooden side. Just pull the slot back and forward. While removing it, just repeat the same process. Pull it back, out. Pull it back like this. Just pull it back, out. Pull it back, out. And repeat the same process and you'll have your lamp disassembled. Same thing to assemble, I showed you same way again. Just align, push it forward, align, pull it little bit back, forward, Next clip, pull it back, forward, pull it back, align, forward. You have your lamp ready. Thank you very much. Happy Diwali. If you like our lamp, make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to see more of our product, make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell icon. Happy Diwali. Thank you.